Today I am going to teach you the story, the poem that we have started yesterday. The poem, it's a very beautiful poem, and we have discussed some parts of the poetry as well. So here we have some important things to be discussed. So let us see and read. The legend of North Island, Northern Land. The legend of Northern Land. Okay. We are reading only the legend of Northern Land. Okay. Well, let us see. Start. Page number, take out behind page number 65. Behind page number 65. Page number 65. Let us see. She made a very little cake, but it is baking late. She looked at it and thought it seems too large. Till here we have done. Saint Peter was a preacher. What he was preaching? Preaching the teaching of. He was preaching the teaching of. He is preaching the teaching of Jesus Christ. So here you see, was teaching, preaching. So, as he was hungry, as he was fast for the whole day, and the day was over, so he was exhausted and tired. He was exhausted and was tired. So he demanded the cake. Here you see, she made a very little cake, but as it baking late, she looked at it and thought, it's too large to me. Though she was making a small cakes, though the great lady was making the small cakes. The small cakes. Can you see? though she was making small cakes. But when it matters to spare, when it matters to give, it becomes large. What she thought? She looked at it. What is it? She looked at the cake that she had made. It was a small, but she thought it seems too large. This shows the greediness. This shows that the little lady was extremely greedy. Dear friend, if you are greedy, it is not good. You should be kind-hearted, sympathetic, and generous. Charity doesn't require something extra. If you wish to share the thing, whatever you have, you may easily share those things. But here you see, as the lady, as the little girl, as the little woman who was preparing the cake, she was greedy. She was greedy. She does not want to spare. She does not want to give the cake to the Saint Peter. Therefore, she need another. She need another. Therefore, now come to the next line. Here you see. Therefore, she another and still a smaller one. A smaller one, but look when she turned it over. She turned it over. As large as the first had done. Here you see. She was greedy. Here you see, here in this line, the height of her greediness. The height of her greediness. See, therefore, as she was making small cakes, but when Saint Peter demanded, give me a single piece, what she thought? In spite of that, she was making or baking small cakes. But when it matters to give, she thought that it is large enough to give. This is the height of her greediness. Therefore she need another. So she thought that she will prepare another. And still a smaller one. It was a smaller than those already prepared. Those already made. The smaller one means what? In comparison of what? A small. The first one was a small. The second one is a smaller. The first one is a small. She makes a little cake, a small cake, and it was a smaller. And it's still a smaller. It was smaller than that, the previous one. but as it looked. But when it matters to give, she turned it over as long as the first one. And when she looked at it, it was looking as big as. So here you see, the question is that whether the cake was bigger. No, it was her mind, set of her attitude. The miser people, even they have if they do charity, they thought that they are doing something big. Even a single pie become big for them. So here you see, as the woman was a miser, she was extremely greedy and miser. In fact, she doesn't want to spare the cake to Saint Peter. So she was looking for various excuses. Miser people, greedy people, selfish people. Here you see, she was selfish, she was miser and was greedy. So dear friend, selfishness, greediness and miserness, these are not good qualities. And in fact, she was looking for an excuse where that she get rid of giving it. So what happened? Turn it over as like first has done. So it was as large as was the first one. Then she took a teeny spark of dal. Then come to the next line. Then she took a teeny star. Teeny scrap of dough. And roll and roll and roll. Roll and roll. And as a wafer, but she could not part with that. There is. Then she took another, a teeny, small. Then she decided to take the smaller one. She took a teeny, very small. Very small dough. Dough for what? For making or baking the cake. And roll it. Rolling, that is what? As your mother rolls the bread. So, the dough was rolled flat and baked. Flat and baked. It then as a wafer. and it was baked as a wafer. Okay, but she could not part with that. Here you see, my dear friend. Here you see, these are the way that she wants to avoid that she, in fact, deliberately, intentionally and deliberately, she was trying to show many excuses. The intention was that, as a matter of heart, as a matter of fact, she doesn't want to spare the cake to the Saint Peter. For that, first of all, she prepared the little one, then she made more little one, then this is again. But what was that? That she does not want to part with that. फिर भी नहीं देना चाहती थी. Here you see, she doesn't want to part. She doesn't want to part that cake. To whom? To the Saint Peter. So, dear friend, in all these lines, the poet has beautifully presented the mental picture of a miserly woman, a miserly, cunning, selfish woman. The little woman was miser, was selfish, and was a cunning fellow also. Look at, if somebody wants to be, no excuse is there. These are the excuses. Okay, these are the excuses. Here you see, took a TV, another dog was taken, it was rolled, it was baked, then again. But she could not part with that. वो नहीं देना चाहती. Simple science. Very simple. Is it okay? She does not want to spare that cake to the Saint Peter. Now come to the next line. What happens? Here you see the next. For she said, for she said, what she said? My cakes, that seem too small, when I eat of them myself. Yet too large. Too large to give up. So she took them on shelf. On the shelf. Here you see. Here you see. For she said, my cage that seems too small. What she said that she said that her cake that seemed too small. When I eat, who is I? The little of them myself are yet too large to give away. Though, you see, what a funny thing is that. Though she said my cake seems too small, बहुत छोटे केक थे, लेकिन जब भी मैं खाती हूँ और देने की बात आती है तो हमको ये काफी बड़ा लगता है. ठीक है ना? Look at the what a funny thing. When I eat of them myself, and yet too large to give away. When it matters to give, it becomes too large. It becomes too large to give it away. For she said, my cakes that seem too small. क्या कहती है कि मेरे केक जो है वो बहुत छोटे दिखाई देते हैं. Seems too small. But when I eat of them myself, when I start eating, are yet too large to give away. So she put them on a shelf. इसलिए उसने उसको शेल्फ पर रख दिया. So she put them on the shelf. Okay? The old lady was ungenerous. She was unsympathetic. The old lady, the little old lady was unsympathetic. She was unkind, ungenerous, and was greedy. She was ungenerous, unkind, unsympathetic, and was greedy. And above all, she was selfish. So, whenever, that though my cakes are very small, but when I eat too large, बच जाता है, तो मैं उसको शेल्फ पर रख देती हूँ. Okay, she want to save it. Here you could see that how the old, ungenerous, unkind, unsympathetic, greedy old woman keeps on changing her point of view. The main intention was that she doesn't want to spare the cake to the Saint Peter. मेन ये इंटेंशन था उसका बेटा कि वो उसको देना ही नहीं चाहती थी. This is what, for that she are giving various excuses. In all these stanza that we have discussed, it shows that the old lady was ungenerous. Okay? She was ungenerous, unkind, unsympathetic, and was selfish also. She was ungenerous, unkind, selfish, and so on. The main intention, deliberately she was doing. Deliberately she was making these excuses. And these excuses were for one thing, that is what that she doesn't want to give or to spare the cake to the Saint Peter. So that is what the intention is. Now come to the next line. Then good Saint Peter grew angry. Of course, it was a matter of great shock. What happened next, you see? Then, good Peter, good Saint Peter, grew. Saint Peter grew angry. For he was hungry. And faint. He was hungry and faint. And surely such a woman was enough to provoke a sin. Yes. Then the good Saint Peter grew angry. Why Saint Peter grew angry? As the old woman was greedy, ungenerous, unsympathetic, and was unkind. She was given various excuses. In fact, she doesn't want to spare the cake. So, having experienced so, the good Saint Peter grew angry. He grew angry because the little woman does not want to give her the cake, the single cake that he wants. For he was hungry and faint. क्यों angry होता है? Because he was hungry and was faint, was about to faint. As he was hungry and was about to faint, and surely such a woman, what kind of a woman she was? She was a selfish. The little woman was ungenerous, unsympathetic, unkind, selfish, greedy. So these were the personality traits. So such a woman who is greedy, a woman who is selfish, a woman who is ungenerous, unkind, selfish, was enough to provoke a saint. When a saint is provoked, get angry. What was the reason of getting angry? The saint get angry. Even the good saint grew angry because she was a selfish, greedy, ungenerous woman. Please note down. The woman was selfish, greedy, ungenerous, and unkind. So, and surely, such a surety, मतलब ये तो पक्का है. It is sure that if a woman, if somebody is selfish, if somebody is greedy, if somebody is ungenerous, if somebody is unkind, if somebody is unsympathetic. So dear friend, if you have these qualities, for sure you are going to be punished. So till here, it's okay. Now it is you. Please, if you have any query, please ask. Do you have any query, my dear friend? Do you have any query? Hello? Hello? Do you have any query, my dear friend? If you have any query, you may ask your question. I am here to solve your query. Then a good Peter saint grew angry. In spite of that, the Saint Peter was good. He was merciful, sympathetic, and kind-hearted. But the lady was selfish, ungenerous, unsympathetic, and unkind. So, was enough to provoke, to make it, if somebody is provoked, to make angry. To make angry. Okay? So that's all. If you have any other query, please ask your question.